buddy got into a motorcycle accident. I just went to go visit him in the hospital. I don't know what happened or how he really crashed. He went over the handlebars and broke 2 vertebrae in his neck. So when I went to visit him today, he has a halo brace, which totally immobilizes him. The bottom of his rib cage to the top of his head, he's immobilized. He has 4 screws in his skull to keep his head still. The guy's pretty beat up. He's pretty beat up. It's hard to see a friend in that situation. It really is. He was emotional.
How's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Oh, good. Pretty nice.
Yeah. Oh man, was it ever?
Yeah.
I was working all day, but might as well go out for a ride. Yeah, I was just in the hospital visiting a friend who got into an accident.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, this is his helmet right here.
Oh,
It's
really?
pretty beat up, but
You okay?
what's that?
Okay.
Yeah, he's wearing a halo. He broke 2 vertebrae in his neck.
Good.
It's crazy what we do, man.
It is.
But you know what? It's fun.
It's fun.
Take care, man. I will fully admit I was emotional at the end when I left. For any situation, it's hard to see a friend in the hospital